Oh, in progress, right? Okay. So let me choose the question for you to see how good you are. Okay, I'll randomly pick any topics, any question, just to test your knowledge. Yeah, ready? Yes. So yeah, hold on. Let me choose the question over here. Short question. Remember log? Yeah, we very long time didn't do this type of question. Are you ready? So get ready and just jot down the question, and I give you the short question to do today. The short question, like 3 marks, 4 marks question. Then it is time for you to revise back. Yeah, hi, WP. Okay. Yeah, some of you just came in. Hopefully you all got no internet connection because internet connection problem because now currently your site there raining or drizzling. Some of you couldn't connect here. Yes. So now, ready. Now, to solve the equation, I want you to see carefully. Means you have to find the x, right? You have to find the x. Okay, solve means find the x. Yeah. So, class, do you know how to do or not? This question. How to solve exponent and log. Multiply. Bracket means multiply. Okay, bracket means multiply. And then what you can do is you can split them. Why I need to split them? Because 3 and 4, they are not the same base. The power also not the same. Do you see that? Power also not the same. And the only thing is you try to split them first. Become like that. Correct not? You see? So I need you all to check it out on this, right? Whether can you solve the following question, how to find the x? Because you already split them. Okay, well, then what should I do next? What should I do? So this is something you need to think. Whereby solving this question, you have to know a 3 power 2x, 4 power x. I want to find x, man. You have to know where is the x. X is here. And then 3 power 1 divided by 4 power 2 is 8. Okay. Why not you bring 1 by 1 to the left-hand side? Times 3 become divided by 3. Divided by 4 square, I bring there become, okay, times 4 square. Correct or not? Easy? Yeah, class, continue. So 32 times 16 divided by 3. You simplify, you'll get, actually 512 over 3. Okay, well, this question, what should I do next? Yeah, then the next step, I need you all to see carefully the next step. 3 power 2x times 4 power x equals to 512 over 3. You split them already and then you rearrange. Now your job is like 3 power 2x is 3x power 2. Okay, 3x power 2, but cannot combine them yet. So this question, what should I do? Should I use log both sides? So this is something that I want to ask you because 3 and 4, you can't see them, into a same base or same index. So what is the next step? Because I'm asking you all have to know how to solve because students, they don't like this chapter. Why? So you have to know, is it you need to log both sides? But log both sides, what you should do? Log both sides. Yeah. Log both sides. You have to see log both sides. If you say log both sides, then what you can do is, you must be fair, log both sides. Then 512 over 3. Then continue. 3 power 2x times 4 power x. You log both sides, You can't do anything because of the base not the same, power not the same, but what you can do is like log both sides. You can bring down the x. So log 3 power 2x, you can bring down the 2x, become 2x log 3 plus x log 4. Remember, log times log equals to, you can split them, become log plus log. Log inside, yeah, got multiply, you split them, become like this, you know. Your job is to find x. You have to factorize the x. Okay, take out the x. Then you have what left? 2 log 3 and log 4. Because your next step is going to bring to the right hand side there. So your job is to bring the whole thing become over, because times become over. So you can straight away press your calculator. Yeah, the answer is very ugly because got decimal, is it? So I want you to see carefully. Press your calculator, divide by whole thing, 2 log. I want to see your answer, yeah, class. Tell me what is your answer. Do you get 1.434? Okay. Yeah, right. Any question? Anything? Some of you add log straight away on the left hand side, right hand side, right? In the beginning of the first step also can. You have to rearrange and make S as a subject. Correct? Yeah. Any question so far? You have to know how to solve, because this is something that you can see. Yeah, how to identify. So this is indices that involve log. So actually behind decimal place need to put 3/4, not your friend say. Behind decimal places like 1.4. Oh, how many places? Okay, in exam, right? At least 3 significant figures. 3 angka berarti. Because the question didn't say anything, so you just put 3 to 4. 3 to 5 significant figures will do. They will give you correct answer. Okay, they'll give you mark as well. Don't worry. At least 3. If let's say degree will be 1 decimal place. If ringgit Malaysia, of course, 2 decimal places, right? So you have to know that. And now question number 9. Can you please look at it now? Number 9. So your turn to do, so that I can see how good you are to solve this question. Okay, because today, during this school holiday, you're not having rest at home. Why not do some maths question, during this point of time? Yeah, so let's see. What is your answer for number 9? So, question, I want to express this. So I copy this one first. So very easy to know what is the first step. You just copy the information and then try to put it here and try to substitute what they give you. Oh, log 125 over 3m. How? Log 125 over 3m. What should I do? You try to ask yourself, 125 can change to 5 power of what, so that can relate to this, 5 power 3, right? 3m. Okay. You just put in here like that first. And your job, you can split them, the log, into how many log? Inside divide, split into 2 log, become minus. Okay. And your job, you have to replace, right? Log m5 is what? P. This one log m3m. Can you see or not? You still can split, become log plus log. But then you have to put bracket. A lot of students, they make careless mistake here. They didn't realize minus the log whole thing. So I have to put bracket log. Because you split the 3m into 3 times m here, become log plus log. Right? So log, you substitute now. Log 3 is what? T. Expand bracket, ne. Log mm equals to 1. Remember, log AA, log KK, log TT, log NN is 1. So that's your answer. Do you get it correct? Very good, WP. Wilayah persekutuan. Okay, we got the answer for that. Yes. Oh, WP is everything. I say, funny, funny. Okay, it's okay. Don't be funny. It's okay because you don't know what's happening. Okay, yeah, that's me. So class finish. Just to recall back how to do the log questions, right? Yes, Sri. Yeah. Wow, morning. I saw you today. You see, evening. You're not tired, right?
We like
I mean,
to
tired
study
of.
so we won't be tired.
Oh, really? Thank you so much. Because you know why? Some of you, you're tired of doing revision at home from day until night. Yeah, those straight A student or those very good student, you can see they are very super hardworking, you know. They morning study, rest a while, then continue afternoon study, rest a while, and then continue nighttime study. Wow, this our student is like at home, nothing to do, man. So do revision, lor. You also you're not going to worry about finding job. You're not going to look into like career. You just study, focus on your SPM straight A. That's it. This is the best work in life. After graduate, you'll know what happened. You'll realize that I prefer study lah, because now when you start to work, right, you feel that everything is about money, find money, find money, find more money, find more money, right? Yeah. So no worry, study is still nice at home, do well. Okay? Yes. So APGP, the question I try to show you, these are the simple one, because I know some of you, the simple one also cannot do. I worry, So these two questions for those who just came in, right? Welcome. Okay, so now what I want to say is you have to know how to solve APGP, the SPM question here. Okay, all of you from different places. Yeah, good. So now these two questions. Okay, those who use English, look at the English to be. This is easy. 2 marks, 3 marks. Yeah, short question, short and sweet. Before we go to more challenging question like involve very long way. I can tell you some people cry because cannot understand the wordings and the paragraph and whole sentence. Okay, good. So ladies and gentlemen, study question number 10 here. I mean, I just simply choose the question for you to attempt to test you because anyhow, we don't want to do chapter by chapter. We straight away do set by set, paper by paper, okay? Yeah, it's like intensive already. Ew, suddenly geometric, arithmetic progression. Forgot the formula, right? So in case you forget, you have to know the formula list is given, but does it include this formula or not? Sometimes you prepare for the war, but forgot to bring underwear to the war. How? Forgot to wear underwear and then go for the war. How? Never mind lah. Got parang, got pistol, all these things can already, right? Got gun also can, kill the enemy. But you have to check lah. Who knows? You need the gun, don't have gun. How to attack the enemy? Go there halfway. U-turn, U-turn. There's no U-turn. Okay, when you enter exam hall, no U-turn. You cannot tell, teacher, I want to go back home, can? Cannot. Once you step out from the exam hall, unless you go for, go to toilet break, all these things, yeah. But then, you have to think, lor. Well, I saw Azizi Yichen give the answer. Very good. And your friend say morning maths, afternoon MS, night MS. Wow, good. Thingy also done. Very good. Now, to do this question, let me zoom in. First 3 terms, don't need to copy question. I want you to write the working on it. Every time my lesson, revision is like making sure that you write your working and compare with my working and answer, then you will feel very happy, I got it correct. That's the thing, The first 3 terms of the sequence are 2, x, and 18. You have to know, find the positive value if it is AP. To find x, in order to answer this question, AP means you have common difference. D1 equals to D2. Or some people use the arithmetic mean. X equals to 2 plus 18 divided by 2 also can. Yeah. So some people use that method and you use this method. Who cares? At the end, answer correct. Good. Right? They accept the both workings here, right? So x minus 2 equals to 18 minus x. So at the end, you see 2x equals to 20, x equals to 10. This is called exam question. Oh, why so easy? Because it's purposely make it easy to make you feel happy. They don't want to see people, students go to the hall and then they cry, coming out. Oh, cannot do. I see people, they cry, after the exam, they came out. They compare with the friend's answer, they cry. Don't know what happened. Is it they got all correct? I cannot believe I can do all and cry. Or they cannot do at all, they also cry. Never mind, take it easy. Exam is just a part of life. Just like you get married and have baby, also part of life in your journey. Easy. You must always see, okay? Yeah. So you have to know how to do that. Right? Wow, Guan Yu got the answer already. Guan Yu, luckily it's not Lee Kuan Yew. Okay, it's Lee Kuan Yew. Huh? Lee Kuan Yew is a Singapore, right? The founder of the who made
Founder of
Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah, correct. So we got Guan Yu give the answer here. Confirm correct, huh? Okay, Ganesha also, Xingyi also, Azizi also, Yi Cheng. Okay, good. Who else want to give answer? Wei Bing also. Oh, typo error. Okay, ratio means the L1 equals to L2, right? So this is how you do lor. In other words, you can see cross multiply to solve the x. So x equals to positive negative 36. So answer got two answer. What? Huh? But the thing is, if you say x6 or positive 6 or not possible, so x is equal to 6, okay? Yeah, negative 6 is not possible lah, huh? Right? Because 2 and because they say positive value, man. So that's right. X equals to negative, you should say rejected lah. If you want to do this way, how to present the answer, that's how you do, yeah? Any question? Yeah, very good. So your friend say rejected, good. So your friend say 10 and 6. Well done. Simple as ABC. Now question 11. Okay. Can you please do it now? Okay. Eh, do it now, huh? And see whether can you get it correct or not. Oh, the first term, the common ratio, all these things, right? Try to attempt it, sum to infinity also to test your formula. We warm up first, okay? We got a lot of lessons coming up, right? You can actually do a lot of keep up question with me later on. Just that in the beginning, how I test you is like how you bring your all the basic level of formula. If you don't know that, you cannot do more higher difficult question, you see. So everyone practice now. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, correct. Some of you got the answer. Wow, so fast. Xingyi, Yi Cheng, and so on, right? No worry. I give also those who are weak, right? They can follow. I want them to do together because some of you are too smart, very fast. Just like I, swallow the saliva, you already finished already. Oh, the question, the answer. I just swallowed my saliva, but your friends just take out your pen. Ah, so you see, wow, good lah. Continue. Write your answer. Find the A and find the S infinity.
Hello, Mr. Hanson. Can you hear me? Okay, sorry students, please wait for a while.
Okay, Guan Yu, Azizi, some of you just give answer, even Yi also, Yi Cheng. Okay, shall we discuss? Let's see. Those who can do, very good. You see, short question like that. Always remember, try to study and label on the spot. Second term, because of the respectively, nampak tak masing-masing, means the first one is the first one, the second information will refer to the second information. Second term is 10. And the fourth term is 2/5. Now I want to find A. And they give you common ratio is more than 0. Means, of course, positive lah. Okay, now how to write the working? First of all, can you change it? What is the formula for GP to find n term? Relate to this formula can help you one. Yeah, you see, means AR equals to 10. On the other hand, AR power 4 minus 1 equals to 2/5. So AR power 3 equals 2/5. What I can do is always to find the R, to find the A under GP. You use divide. Use divide. Means equation 2, who is bigger? R power 3. Divide by equation 1. You know why? If you divide, you can do cut. Wait, do cut. You can actually cut the A and find the R already. What? Sure, easy. 2/5/10 is 2/50. Correct? So R square equals to 1/25. I want R, so positive, negative, square of 1/25. So one is 1/5, another one is negative 1/5. But this is rejected because they already say R more than 0. Do you get it correct? Yeah, 1/5, 1/5. Hey, different answer one. Some of you. The question asks you to find A, okay? But haven't finished, So your job continue. I want to find A when R equals to 1/5. Your A, you use equation 1. Equation 1 easier to solve. Substitute 1/5 equals to 10. So A equals to 50. You got it correct? And sum to infinity. Question B, formula. This is 3 mark, 1 mark, sub in A is 50 and then R is 1/5. And can I ask you, what is your answer? 50/4/5. You got brain or no brain? No brain, use what? Calculator. Got brain, use what? Use brain lah. Okay, what is your answer? 62.5. Class, correct or not? Yes, very good, Sri. Yeah. Oh, Aziz, correct also. Yi Cheng also correct. The others didn't get it correct. So how? Check again. What is your mistake? What is your mistake? Read the question again. Why wrong? Why you got mistake? Compare my working and your working. Which step wrong? You have to identify now. Before I continue. Okay or not? Got any mistake? Because I saw a few of you make mistake leh. Come. Okay, can I go to next question? Oh, this one, some of you don't like coordinate geometry. Yeah, about lines, you don't like, right? Okay, this question, try now. Got 4 marks altogether. Read properly.
Mr. Hanson, I think you mute your mic.
Yeah, I know. I purposely mute because I haven't teach yet.
Okay.
I let them do the question. Oh,
Okay.
you want to help me to teach? Can.
No, my NMAX cannot.
Can I sure can.
Cannot.
By the way, you all know who is this guy, Ken? You should. They know you, right? I think.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
This is my
I
first
need to
time.
introduce you. I
Okay.
think Ken from Firm Education. Yeah, so I think you are
Yeah, hi
actually
everyone.
counselor, right?
Yes, correct. But not as strong as you, lah.
It's the
Okay.
same. But anything like related, let's say further study, your don't know what to
Yes.
do after SPM, right? You see, they are here helping your. So Fund Education is one of the counseling for further study
Yeah.
or a center for it. So they got a lot of information regarding to further study. So that's right. They are here to assist lah. Okay, the student also.
Yeah, or can go for our website lah to look for more information. Yep.
Yeah. Who knows? They say, oh, you can so handsome. They want you to counsel them. They've lost direction. Yeah, but they saw you. They saw the light. Yeah, they say, wow, can give us the information more clearly. Yeah, who knows?
Wow, Hanson, your mouth really.
Yeah. So many female students here. Wow. See, because that day Sok Cheng, right? Sok Cheng was the another colleague.
Yeah, correct.
Also inside. Two of you all inside this.
Correct.
Oh, good.
But students is come here for you.
No,
It's
so
not for us. It's for you.
but I have to connect them to you. I'm the
Okay, thank you very much.
middleman.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, so pass it to you lah.
Thank you.
Okay.
So the student here can do the question or not? I saw your friend give the answer already. Yi Cheng, Azizi, Evan, Sriya. And just now Sriya gave the answer, not this question, huh? Who else want to give the answer? The friend say Angel, huh? Wei Bin, huh? Yeah, they are Angel. But my MS is not Angel, it's devil. So you have to encounter this with full faith, right? You'll write equation, no? Equation of straight line in this form. I thought y equals ms plus c, or y minus y1 equals ms minus s1. Do you remember this is called intercept form? Yeah, intercept form, of course, is easy. You just need to find the intercept and put it in. Because this is x-intercept, you all don't know, huh? You all didn't see, man. This one use eyes only, don't need to use brain one. Because 0, -7 is y-intercept. Hello. And the A is the x-intercept, put it in. The y is -7. Just like substitute only A and B. Okay? Y'all don't know, eh? Recall back. And you write the answer this way. Dun -dun. Okay? Question B. They say a point moving in this, condition. So how? PA equals to 2AB. I just start with this information, and your job is to find equation of locus. It could be a straight line, could be a circle equation, depends on the locus. Remember the 4 types of locus that you learned in Form 3. Yeah, PA is the distance from P to A. So use distance formula to help you. Where's the P? I let P as Y, right? P could be any, what's that called? Any point that on the locus, right? So PA, to find distance, remember S2 minus S1 whole thing square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole thing square. So the A is Y2 0. So X minus 2, Y minus 0, correct not? The P point is XY, huh? Same thing to PB. X minus Y, Y minus Y for the moving point is XY. So X2 is X4, Y2 is Y, I put in. Oh, point B is 0 and -7. This type of situation, I can tell you, you see both sides got square root. You say squaring both sides. Kuasa duakan kedua-dua belah. And your answer, square both sides, no more square root already, right? You left x minus 2 holding square plus y square. And remember, 2 also square. The mistake done by student is they forgot the 2 must square also lah. So that you square 2, you get 4. And this one, x minus 0 is square. And then this one, y plus 7 holding square. Okay, your job is to make it nicer, rearrange. Very good. I saw you all got the answer. Wow, the teacher is hero. Thank you. Yeah, you too. So your what hero too. But have to do, okay? Expand. Oh, this one, y square. Okay, I should expand the 4 into this bracket, 4y square. 7y, 14y, 14y times 4. So 14 times 4, you must have this, speed, to do maths. You are not going to like do very slow. 7 square, 49 times 4, 196. Straight away open the bracket. Okay, and I just need to do what? Abang, ada ikut abang, ada ikut abang. So 4x square minus x square, 4y square minus y square, because I saw the x square here, right? All bring to the right hand side, all bring to right hand side lah. Because you have to rearrange until 0, right? Here. So after that, negative 4x bring here become positive 4x, and then plus 56y, rearrange only. My job is to rearrange. Plus 4 bring here become minus 4. Okay, your final answer, 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 4x plus 56y plus 192 equals 0. Do you get it correct? Yeah, I saw your friend, right? So the question A, is it? How to find the A, is it? Okay, hold on. Let me explain some more. For question A, you have to know the basic idea of the intercept form. Do you know when you form equation for straight line, there's an intercept form, right? General form is y equals mx plus c, all these things, right? This one, the intercept form is x over a plus y over b equals 1. Means you have to know this is intercept form. The straight line cut at x-axis is called a. Cut at y-axis is a b. You just substitute only. This one you have to recall back. Okay, intercept form for straight line. The value below the x is the x-intercept. The value below the y is b-intercept, y-intercept, and always equals to 1. You remember or not? Some of you forgot this thing, right? Okay, You remember how to form equation of straight line? Y minus y1 equals to m minus s1, right? S1, right? And this is another form. Next question. Linear law. Do you like it? This is the question. You need to do it now. Next question. Okay, I give you 5 minutes to solve and get the answer easily. Wow, Enki gave the answer already. Yi Cheng also. Good. How about the others? So the answer I saw from Yi Cheng, Azizi, Guan Yu, Xingyi, Enki, right? Even who else want to give the answer? Yep. So this is something that you all have to practice to see how good you can achieve the understanding. So you see, those who have tried but haven't get the answer yet. We look at question A first. Express in linear form. So to do this, I need to check any clue. Always look at the clue. Did they say plotting what against what? Oh, and the graph also is a clue, whereby this is a big Y, this is a big X. Remember, linear form must be Y equals to MX plus C. So to do this, you have to add log base 2 both sides. Because you see base 2, base 2. So that you can change to linear form later on. And then this one log divide by log, a number inside, split them become log minus log. And then your answer, linear form, log 2y equals to log 2. Okay, if can, I write the answer at the next part there, how easier. I write the answer on the right side here. Log 2y equals to bring down the 2p in front of the log. Can I ask you, is that a linear form? Some of you don't know, right? Is it a linear form? Yes. Big Y, M, X, and this is C. Log X is X, so the in front is M, gradient. Okay, they ask you to write in this linear form. That's it. That's the answer already. 1 mark. 1 mark only. Yeah. You expect what? 10 marks? No way. Okay, the next question is to solve B. How to find P and how to find Q. First of all, do you know that your M is 2P gradient and your C is negative log Q? This is to link P and Q easily. So to find gradient so that you can link to grade 2P, then you got 2 points. Easy, gradient equals to 8 minus 0 over 6 minus 2. Your gradient is 2. And the gradient is actually 2P. And your job is to find P. You see? And I have to find Q. Class, how to solve to find Q? You have to relate to the y-intercept, but did they give you y-intercept? Don't have for. Then you just choose a point to help you. At point 20, the mistake done by student is they always thought that because linear law, they thought that, oh, this is X, this is Y. Wrong. How can you say XY coordinate directly? This is already linear form, whereby 2 is actually log Y and log X, and 0 is log Y. Hello, log X and log Y. So your job is to sub in, right? Sub in into this equation to help you. Okay, now log Y is actually directly replaced with 0. Hello, you don't go and substitute X into the here too. No. This is holding log X. Log Y coordinate. So the log Y replaced with 0. Your P is 1. Log X is 2. And can you solve Q? Of course. Continue. Rearrange or shift 1 by 1. Oh, Q equals to 2 power 4. Answer 16. Do you see the answer directly? Check it out now. Okay, check it out now. Okay, check it out and do the next question. Any question? Done,
Please sometime, please.
Oh, okay. Sure. Sure. After that, we go to next question. Yeah, you take some time to digest. You forgot linear law already. Oh, take some time. Ask if you, let's say, got any problem. Okay, do the next question. Wow, so far I saw the answer from Azize, Yi Cheng, okay, Evan, okay, Sing Yi. Right, who else want to give the answer? Right, Strat Yi also. Oh, challenge myself to do this without searching the formula. Very good. Your friends say that. Okay, good, good. Two questions, 14 and 15, vectors. I mean, 15 is vectors, and 14 is the coordinate geometry. Yeah, just to test the formula again. Okay, those who have done anything like related to this chapter, oh, must do more. Okay, answer from Enki also done. How about question 15? Two questions, You have enough time to finish two questions or not? Question 15 also, the vectors. So two questions, how long do you take to solve, right? Please do it now. Then I discuss one shot and you compare the working with my working, right? Okay, we've been also done. Oh, Aziz is done already. Hello. So the answer, how to find Q? Okay, area of the parallelogram formula. Somehow just now your friend say, oh, yo, just try without referring the formula. Wow, you still remember, huh? Got 4 points, eh? Just put in. Okay, then how to do? This way multiply. Minus this way. And they give you area is what? 34. Just like that, class. Okay, 34, then times 2 to get the answer. So 6Q, then 28 plus 32 plus 18, and your answer, you got 6Q minus 22, or plus 22 plus 22, huh? Then negative 12 plus 48 plus 42 is 78 times negative, so negative 78. 34 times 2 is 68 equals to 2Q. Double check for me if it is it minus correctly or not. Okay, do you know that the values of Q, nilai nilai Q got more than one answer lah? Means what? The first answer is what answer? 2Q minus 56 equals to 68. That's one answer. 68 plus 56 equals to 124. Do you get 62 one answer? Yeah, so Q is 62, one of the answer. Huh? Yeah, so some of you got mistake. Another answer, check. That's why I asked you to do first. 2Q minus 56 equals to negative 68. Okay, negative, I bring that. So 2Q equals to negative 68 plus 56, negative 12. So Q is negative 6. Oh? Yeah, you got it correct. But not many people got correct lah. I feel so sad. Only who got it correct? Shimin. Yeah, who else? Let me check. Oh, I saw just now some of friend got it correct. Like Even, very good. Singy also got it correct. Only these 3, 4 friend got it correct. Yeah, that's wrong lah. Why? That's right, is it difficult? Okay, question 15. I have to solve to find H and K. So the thing is, to solve H and K, vector A and B, they say non-zero, non-parallel. For this is to make sure that you have to know. If I say this, can I ask you this question? Non-parallel, non-zero vector, and ask you to find H and K, correct? So is there any question for this? Because I want to ask you to solve this. What should I do? So you got the answer or not? Not everyone got the answer, you know? So H is 1/8, K is 94. Anyone got it correct? Yeah, very good, Sumin. So good. 1/8 and K is 94. Yeah. 90 sign don't have means wrong also. Okay, you will say you just do what class? By comparison method. Okay, very good. I saw even got it correct. So you have to know how to do is question. Okay, so you have to see carefully. AHA minus 1. Oh, this one I saw your friend just now make the equation AH minus 1 equals 0. Very good. You have to know. Then 2k plus 8 equals to 0. So get the answer. Okay, so I have to tell you, okay, what happened here is your job is to find h. And then you have to solve easily. Okay, close to nearly 4. Okay, that's your answer. Because you know why? There's no A, there's no B on the left-hand side, right side. You see, let's say you compare, right? Class, this question, is it interesting? You just need to see. This one, the A on the right side don't have. So that's why equals 0. Lor. No A here, ma. By comparison, ma. Then after that, the B also don't have, ma. Here don't have factor B, ma. So I put equals 0. Lor. So this is how you do. That's why they say non-zero, non-parallel to tell you they are not related to anything of the coefficient here, right? So this one, I think some of you forgot how to do already. So you have to take note on this. So very good. I saw even got it correct. Sri also correct, right? Samin, good try, Greg. And then we saw who else? Maybe I don't know. The others didn't get the answer. Oh, you Azizi also got it correct. Well done. Just now Azizi say it's already done earlier. Okay. So the others, I want you all to try and see. And we go to next question. Oh, do you like Trigo? Wow, this is good question. Trigo, forgot already, huh? Test you now. Okay, everyone. Trigo is the chapter that you are, maybe some school learning now. I'm not sure the other school have finished or not. No, again, Trigo. Can you look at this now? So this question, how to do Trigo, is that difficult? Now your turn to tell me. Is that challenging? Oh, your teacher already going to finish linear programming. Okay. So today's question quite short and sweet, just to make sure that all of you, can do it well. At least recall back all the formula. Yeah, some of you forgotten. Okay, yes. Must practice, then only you learn, you will excel, right? And you will really know, oh, this question, formula, is like this, like that, right? Oh, I saw someone give the answer already. As you say, Ki Sing Yi, Even Yi Cheng. Okay, the others continue. Yes, that's the thing. So make sure that y'all can do it easily without any problem, right? If some of you need help, we will discuss later. But make sure y'all have to do it correctly, yeah? Okay, I saw the answer also come from it, but okay, Shreya also is saying, okay, all these few friends that give answer very what's that called, actively and also consistently. So you see this question, sine theta. Actually, I try to tell you that this one still need to use your Form 3 chapter only, not really Form 5 yet. This one, because sine theta equals to P over 1. I try to use Tuakaso, opposite over hypo, right? So you see, build the triangle and they say, oh, in 90 to 180 degree, right? The quadrant 90 to 180 So the angle theta, that's how you measure in quadrant 2. But you have to know how to put in the picture. Opposite is here, P, means here P lah. Hypo is here, 1. So this quadrant 2, remember, add sugar to coffee. Yeah, sign is positive, so it's positive. Okay, at this quadrant. But the thing is, you have to know how to find this value. This one. You take hypotenuse square minus p square then square root. Do you agree 1 minus p square? This is adjacent. Okay, I try to fill out everything before we go further, right? Because this is to test your formula. Secant theta equals to 1 over cos. Cos theta, okay, equals to k adjacent over hypo. And cos is negative. Cos theta at this quadrant is negative. So do you get the answer? 1 over negative 1 minus p square. Do you get it correct or not, class? Yeah, I saw some friend forgot the negative for the square. Okay, wow, charity test. Oh, charity test. What happened? So yeah, okay, how come some of you did not get the answer? Huh? Yeah, they give you sine theta. How come 1 over square of 1 square? Because you have to know, you have to find the adjacent side. You see, you got hypo, you find from here 1, right? 180 is because this quadrant, they're trying to tell you, right? So I try to say P over 1. P is opposite, 1 is hypo. So that's why I try to label, properly. P is the opposite, hypo is 1. Then adjacent is square of 1 square minus P square. So I just need to find sine theta myself. Sine theta got already. You find your cos theta. Cos theta is what? Negative 1 over. Because it's negative 1 over. Because this is negative 1 over. You see? Square of 1 minus 8. Sorry. Adjacent first on top. Adjacent is this over hypo 1. Tangent theta tua opposite over adjacent. So can be positive also, right? Cause the negative quadrant 1. Okay. This one only sign positive. Remember, I always teach my students to remember forever, all sex take condom. Okay, all sex take condom, sex sign positive. So that means this one you see got negative one, you see the answer. Only sign is positive, you see. So class, you have to know this one. But this is Form 3. But Form 5 only teach you formula. Cos theta equals to, you can use either formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1, or cos square minus sine square, or 1 minus 2 sine square also can. Cos theta you found already, right? Oh, it's equals to negative Square root of 1 minus p squared, then whole thing square minus 1. Oh, you just put it in. Negative you square positive, square root you square no more, and then you get this. And then you expand. Do you get this answer, class? Double check. Trigo, is it easy? Oh, you have to practice. Makes perfect. So can be property, all right. So you understand the quadrant, sign is positive only here. That's why you see the value sine theta equals to P. And the cos theta, you see got negative, tangent theta also negative. But the thing is, I'm trying to tell you, you must know the formula. Secant theta is what? 1 over cos. Cos 2 theta is what? Got 3 formula, right? Cos square minus sine square, or 2 cos square minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square. Answer will be the same. Okay, cos square theta means cos theta whole thing square. That's why I can put this way. Correct or not? Any problem with this? Tuakasu only. This one, they give you sine theta equals to P, means P over 1. So I relate to Tuakasu. I build my triangle, 90 degree. Okay. So some of you see this chapter difficult, so I have to do more lah. We still got more questions to discuss. Any question? Okay, hold on. I choose. Oh, this one differentiation. Differentiation, some of you learn already. Okay, maybe what else? The question I want to test you. Okay, hold on. I choose a question like, which one easier for you to solve very fast and steady? Okay lah, this one lah, huh? Circular measure. I discuss together with you, okay? Okay, ON 5 cm. NM 2 cm. They say it's a sector. So that's right. This also 2 cm. Kn is cm. K to n. Where is K? Where is n here? Length of ILM 13 cm. Okay, well, now I label all for you already when I read. Question asks you to find radian. I mean angle theta in radian. So to do question A, formula S equals R theta. They want in radians, so straight away use this formula. R theta, S is 13, radius is 7. And theta equals to 13 over 7, lor. Wow, 13 over 7 radian. Or you can change to decimal. 1.857. Yes, can do or not? Okay. I label all, then easier for me to solve. You got it correct? Yes, Ria. Area of shaded region. I like it because you use big minus small. Big is area of sector. Some of you forgot the formula. Minus small is area of triangle. They share the same, radius. So half r square theta. This one half r square sine theta. You still remember this formula can factorize the half r square? You left this? Yes. You see, this is the formula to find the area of shaded region, no? R square is what? 7. That's a mistake. The radius is different. You cannot do that. Factorize because the radius for triangle is smaller lah. Because sometimes they try to, then yes, radius will be the same. But you see, they purposely do like that. Don't be trapped, oh. You see the difference? This R is the area of sector is 7 squared. Theta is 13 over 7 lah. So R1 and R2, you have to know R1 is 7. R2 is the triangle. L2 square means the thing is 5. You square. Then sine theta. And you press calculator to solve it. Easy, right? What do you get? Minus, remember the calculator must change to radian mode. Some of you forgotten to change to radian mode. Then answer different, then you blame. How come different? How come different? Aiyo, so answer. This one is radian mode, right? Double check, is so small one. Double check, is it so small? Y squared 25 and then times sine 13/7, correct or not? Double check, correct or not? 11.99. I got 11.99. Okay, you get 11.99, huh? Don't need, if you use radian, then your calculator mode change to radian. So you see, double check 25 divided by 2, then times sine 13/7. 11.99, right? Okay. And my final answer 33.51. Your press calculator, those using black color calculator, you can see or not, because I use radian, so your calculator change to radian mode. Those say want to change to degree, then your degree mode, answer still the same. Okay. Yeah, double check, press your calculator. Okay. So for today, I just discussed all these questions with you. Okay, and I shall continue with your next Saturday. No holiday, okay? Some of your other friends missing today. Yeah. So I will stop here. And any question? No question, and that's all for today. Thank you, class. Welcome, Charitas, Alliance. Okay, Azizi, Cheng, sorry for take care, everyone. Oh, Ken, you want to come in and say something?
No, I just want to say thanks to you.
Yeah, thanks to you too. Yes, very
Yeah,
good.
thank you very
Okay,
much. Okay.
welcome. Thank you. Okay, I thanks myself. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye. Take care.